A cloud that rains diamonds. Did you know? There are planets in our universe where it literally rains diamonds. On giants like Neptune and Uranus, the pressure is so intense that carbon gets crushed into solid diamonds. Scientists think these diamonds fall like hailstones, sinking deep into the planet's interior, maybe forming diamond oceans below. And the wildest part? Researchers recreated it in a lab. And it actually works. So yeah, some clouds don't rain water, they rain diamonds. Cool, right? Follow Unboxed Science, where curiosity begins.